Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. My name is Ruchita and I am from IFS Institute. Today we are presenting strategic to crack competitive exams. Please type if you have any questions in your chat box, and at the end of the session we'll be having a question round at the end. Now without any further ado, let me welcome our Pawan sir for the further process.
नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड आप सभी का स्वागत है इंडिया के नंबर 1 कंप्यूटर चैनल पे इंडियाज एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू द इंडियाज नंबर 1 चैनल फॉर कंप्यूटर एग्जामिनेशन एंड yes, I hope you all doing well. If you have any query, you can please mention in the chat box so that we can continue with the webinar, and then after that I will be solving your problems, right? Okay, so I welcome and I Dr. G. Shankar Government College organized webinar today. So today's webinar will be very much specific about your examination, since you are MCOM, BBA, BCom students, right? So this is the common question that everyone faces in his life, career life, that what should we do in our life after MCOM, BBA, BCom, है ना? What are their options, है ना? So there are so many options, right? There are so many options, and one option में से I would like to suggest you one of the best option that you can pursue in your career life, and you can pursue the career, the life where you can have your own time, you can give your time to your interested area, right? So chalo, let's start. So now today we will be talking about strategies to crack competitive exam after graduation and post graduation, and I welcome and I thank you the organizing committee of Dr. G. Shankar Government College, that chairperson Sojan KG, Shiv Kumar B, and Vani Bilal, and Shetty principal sir Shetty, Dr. Bhaskar Shetty, MCOM coordinator Dr. Umesh Maiya, and Ashok Bhandari, PG placement cell coordinator. So I welcome you all to the session. I'm really happy to share my views, share my thoughts and experience with you all guys, right? And I hope these sessions you will find very much helpful in your life. Thank you so much. Dekho, let's start. This is my introduction, guys. This is my introduction. I have qualified the examination. These are the examination that I have qualified: UGCNET and JRF in commerce, UGCNET economics, MS set commerce, SPPU set, that is Pune University PhD entrance test examination, and I have a certificate in fundamentals of research methodology. Okay, so this research methodology will help you throughout your life if you are going to any academic or any research field, right? And after that, I am a member of paper setting and evaluation board. So this gives me an age, and this gives me an experience that how the questions are being framed, how the questions, where the questions is being asked, where the questions are being asked from. And I have a 4 years plus experience in teaching at university level, since my specializations are finance and economics. So if you have any query regarding your career related to finance and economics, so you can simply put your message in the comment box and we will be happy to help you, right? Chalo. So the very first and very common question of today's generation, and it has been a question for previous generation also, that कि what after master, है ना? Masters के बाद हमें क्या करना है? What should we do? Where in which industry we should go to, right? Yes, everyone, good afternoon, and we have started the session, and now on you have to yes, good afternoon everyone, good afternoon. Okay, so what after masters? So any one of you, you might have thought of going for CA, you might have thought of going for investment analysis, you might have gone for trading, share market, है ना? These are the options that you go to, and one of them is MBA also, है ना? So you go for MBA also, and you go to the company, you do the job, 9 to 5 job, and you earn your livelihood, right? So this is the pattern that has been going since now, है ना? तो अब यहाँ पे Now what after masters? So I have some options. I have some options for you all guys to tell that what are their options that you can pursue, है ना? चलो, let's see what options are available. Let's first see what options are available. See, there are two sides, there are two directions, there are two ways which you can go to. First is academic, second one is job. Second is corporate job. When I say job, I mean to say corporate job. I mean to say corporate job. या फिर गवर्नमेंट जॉब भी हो सकता है ना? It can be government also. So there are two directions, academics or फिर then job. So if you go to academics, since I belong to academic background, and I know what academics is, and I have studied the job pattern and the job industry where you can go to cost accountant, tax consultant, chartered financial analyst, and many more options are there. But now guys, guess what? Today I am going to share some of the insights of this academic, field, है ना? What you should do in your career, what academics will how academics will help you pursue your career. So there are two things, assistant professor and PhD. You can become an assistant professor and you can pursue your PhD in your interested area. Okay, so now why academics, है ना? Everyone must have come across the question, why academics, sir? Why not job? Why not corporate? Why not company? Why not government job? Why academics? Why assistant professor or why PhD? So there is only one answer, है ना? If you really want to live your life respectful, है ना? If you want a work-life balance, if you want to work like a respectful and in a better way, you can lead to your life, है ना? So there are some of the reasons that. So the very first is passion for teaching. If you have passion for teaching, if you like interacting with the students, you like you like to read the books, you like to speak, you like to in between the people, so this is for you. If you have passion, so this is the thing that you can pursue, guys. Then why academics, right? You all know that if you go to job, if you go to corporate sector, there is 9 to 5 job. Go to the office, do your work, and leave the office. That is the pattern that everyone is following, right? After that, if you love mentoring the students, right, like if you have any concept like in your classroom also, in your school life also, or you are in college right now, and you know any concept that you know in a better way that you can explain, you can tell anybody in a better way. So this is for you guys, mentoring the student. If you know how to mentor, how to explain the concept, you know how to describe the things, so this is for you. Okay, after that, career in research. This is one of the best option. This is one of the best option you can pursue, guys, right? This is the one of the best option you can pursue. Like if you pursue research, what are the benefits of research? And research is a part of academics. I am telling you, research is a part of academics which you can pursue for at least 3 to 4 years of your life, 3 to 4, and then after that you will become, it is always great, it is always great to put prefix before your name, है ना? How does it feel to put doctor before your name, right? If you like to put the prefix doctor in before your name, so this is for you guys. Freedom over your time. जैसे कि मैंने आप सभी को कहा था, right? I said every one of you, right? 9 to 5 job, right? What do you do in that time, right? So if you like, see, what you have to do as a student, you have to choose a career path where you feel like you are living. You are not a robot, you are not a bot that you start at 9 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. right? So if you love your job, if you love your things, what you are doing, so this is for you. There are two reasons. The people who love the thing and they go to those places, and there are some people who go to the places and they start loving the things, right? These are the things here. Okay, so this is a freedom over time. You have your time now. After that, job security. There is a job security, right? Job security in the sense of time, work-life balance. Job security in the monetary benefits. Job security in the other social benefits, right? Let's see what we have ahead. Right? Academics, there are two options. In academics, there are two options you can pursue. Right? Dekho. If you want to become an assistant professor, right? And if you want to become a scholar, PhD scholar, right? If you want to become a PhD scholar, so what you have to do, the mandatory and the compulsory minimum eligibility criteria to become an assistant professor or to pursue any PhD in any stream, that UGC NET and JRF examination, या फिर SET or SET late examination you can give. So what are these? Let's see what are these examinations. See, difference between UGC NET and SET. So what is the difference between UGC NET and SET? See, I am telling you UGC NET, what does UGC means and what does NET means and what does SET means. So if I talk about NET examination, and SET examination, so let me tell you, NET examination is a national level examination. And SET is a state level examination. And these bodies conduct same examination for the minimum eligibility criteria of becoming an assistant professor, or if you want to pursue PhD, if you want to apply for any PhD program, right? Full time or part time, right? This is the national level examination and this is the state level examination, right? Chalo. And then these are the state where state government, state university conduct their state level examination, right? Maharashtra and Goa, MSET, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, West Bengal, NESET and Karnataka. Karnataka also conducts the examination that is called KSET. Right? Karnataka state, the full form of state is State Eligibility Test. What is that? State Eligibility Test. That is SET, right? So these are the state that conduct the examination of SET or NET examination, right? Let's see what we have. What is the minimum eligibility criteria, educational wise, qualification wise? What are the minimum class criteria? There is nothing but the NET examination. You have to qualify for the assistant professor and junior research fellowship, right? And this examination is conducted in twice a year. This examination is conducted twice a year. Once, the first is June session and the second one is December session. Right now, June session is to be conducted this year from 30 June onward. From 30 June onward, it is going to be conducted, right? And afterward, December session is also take. So if you are a postgraduate, if you are a person who are pursuing the final year of postgraduate, so you can simply apply for the December examination, and you can prepare in the particular 5 to 6 months, and you can apply for the examination. And if once you qualify the examination, you are eligible to become an assistant professor. You are eligible to go to any university in India if you qualify NET, and if you qualify state, and state examination is only for that particular state, right? If I qualify Maharashtra state examination, that means I am eligible to teach at university level in Maharashtra only. If I qualify NET examination, I am eligible to teach at any university. Name any university, I will be there and I will be eligible for that university for teaching at university level. Okay, chalo. Next, mode of examination, how these examinations are going to be conducted. These examinations are going to be conducted computer based test. This is an online test examination, This is an online examination, right? So you have to go to you will be given a test center, and you have to go to the center and take the examination, right? After that, this is the pattern, guys. This is the pattern of this UGC NET examination. This is the pattern. You have paper 1 and paper 2. You have paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, it is of 100 marks, 15 questions each, right? It will consist of 50 questions. For paper 2, 200 marks and 100 questions. And what is the syllabus? How should we study for this examination, guys? That is the main question here now. So I would like to tell you, in paper 1, this teaches about how you should conduct your communication, how you should be aware of the people and environment of your surrounding, right? So this is for you. We teaching research aptitude for candidate and primarily designed to test the reasoning ability, reading comprehension, divergent thinking, general awareness of the candidate. To test all of this, paper 1 is there. And after that, there is paper 2 for the subjective knowledge. If I belong from MCom, so I know I am from commerce background, right? If I am from MA, so I have to choose my subject. If I am from MA from economics, MA from English, or let's suppose geography, right? So that differs. So this is the paper 2 for the selected candidate. For this is the subject of your post graduation. The subject you have chosen your post graduation, that will be your subject for NET examination, right? And from then 100 question will be asked, 2 marks each, consist of 200 marks, right? Chalo. And for this, only 3 hours are given there without any break, and all questions are compulsory, right? There is no option like in your college you must have taken your university examination, right, where they ask you to write any question out of 5. This is not the case here. This is not the case here, right? Chalo. Eligibility criteria for UGC NET. What is the eligibility criteria? Very easy, very important. At least 55% marks you need in your post graduation, that is your master degree, without rounding off. 55% marks you have to score, then you are eligible to apply for the examination, right? And what is the is there any relaxation for backward classes? Yes, there is relaxation for backward classes, that for under unreserved it is 55%. So when it comes to backward classes, it is 50% marks. It is what? It is 50% marks for the eligibility, minimum qualification eligibility for your applying the examination, right? And eligibility for UGC NET, dekho, if you are a student, there are 3 kind of students. One who has passed the post-graduation examination, who is in the examination, who is appearing the final examination, right? Who is appearing the final examination. So they both can apply the examination. So if you are in a second year or in a final year, you can simply apply, you can easily apply. If you are qualified your post-graduation examination, so you are definitely applicable, you are definitely eligible to apply, right? But if you are in a first year or you are just have started for the post graduation, so you are not eligible. Okay, so if you are in final examination or in last semester, you can apply for the examination, right? Sure. And then what is the age limit? Is there any age limit? Yes. If you go to JRF, what is JRF? JRF is nothing but a junior research fellowship, right? And not more than 31 years as on first day of the month in which examination is conducted. Matlab the day when the examination is conducted, you should not be more than 31 years. 31 years se zyada nahi hona chahiye. And a relaxation of up to 5 years for the reserve category candidate, that is OBC, non-criminal, SC, ST, PW and third gender categories, right? And age limit for assistant professor, there is no age limit. See, there is no age upper limit, no upper age limit for the becoming assistant professor. At any age, at any number of age, you can become an assistant professor and start teaching at university level, guys. So this is the all time open gate, right? Chalo. So what is the syllabus, right? What should we study and what is the syllabus? Can we apply for the do we have to pursue any particular course? Do we have to study any particular other subject? So don't worry, guys, don't worry. Syllabus is the same as you have in your post graduation. See, what is the syllabus for examination? Business environment we have, international business, Then unit 2, accounting and auditing, business economics, business finance, business statistics and research methods, business management, banking and financial institution, marketing management, legal aspects of business, and income tax and corporate tax planning. These are the things. This is the subject. You have total 10 subjects, total 10 units in paper 2. Total 10 units in paper 2. And if you focus on this syllabus, you will get to know that these subjects you have learned throughout your graduation and progression also. So there is nothing new that you have to go to and you have to buy any book that you are not aware of. I'm sure you all are aware of these subjects and all this syllabus, right? So this is the subject, and this is very much comfortable for you. You need not study anything new. You need not put your efforts for anything that you don't even know right now, right? Now? So this is for very important thing for you all. So what are the benefits? What are the benefits of applying for this examination? Applying for the very first is based on the qualified student NET, SLET, JRF, right? The benefits are, if you qualify and if you become assistant professor, as per the 7th pay commission, you get 57,000 to 79,800 in your in-hand salary, right? If you qualify, if you become an assistant professor, this is the salary you can get. And work-life balance with your own time, freedom for your own time, and do what you are interested in. Study what subject you like to study. Teach you the subject you like to teach. See, these are the benefits of UGC NET examination. And for JRF, if you qualify for the JRF examination, guys, see, if you qualify JRF, you automatically qualify for assistant professor also. And if you qualify JRF, if you want to pursue your PhD in your interest area, you become a JRF. That is, for first 2 year, you are junior research fellow, where you will get 31,000 per month stipend for your research work. See, who gives this? What benefit? What kind of benefit is this that nobody gives? If you go for the job, you spend time 9 to 5, and you have to work for the company. And now, if you apply for the PhD, you have to work for yourself, and government will pay you stipend. See, understand the benefit, understand the importance of the examination, and then after that you become a senior research fellowship. As PhD has to be of 5 years, you have to spend 5 years. You have to spend long 5 years, hardworking 5 years, dedicated 5 years for your career. That is PhD. And once you complete the PhD, you are a doctor. You will be awarded with a doctorate degree, right? The highest degree of all, right? Now, every competitive examination that is being conducted, there is a cutoff. Why there is a cutoff? See, there was a time where people were not that much educated, where they would have to select the people. Now they have large number of people, like demand is less, demand is more, and supply is less. This was the time, right? Now what is it is? It is now supply is more and demand is not that much. So what they have to do? They have to reject the people, cut the people from the list. So they have a cutoff. So what is the cutoff, and what are the minimum marks that we have to secure to qualify for the examination, right? Dekho. So this is the marks, and these are the marks. If you focus on the 2020 marks, if you focus on the 2022 marks, so this is the marks, guys. You can see here that for unreserved category, it is 98 percentile for becoming assistant professor and 99 percentile to become an JRF. So if you can see, these are the numbers for all over the India who have qualified the UGC NET examination. And these are the people who have qualified the JRF examination. This is almost round figure 300 to 400 people only, all over the India, 3 to 400 people. See the competition level, right? And you can understand the importance of that thing on the basis of competition level, right? if you have to if you can secure this much of marks, you are qualified and you can teach on this college level, right? So this is the statistics. This is the statistics, guys. So registered people, total registered people were 12,66,000 and qualified appeared 6,70,000. See the difference. Half of the people got out of the race. They just filled out the form and did not go to the examination, right? So your competition is between these 6 lakhs people, 6 to 7 lakhs people, and you have to become one of the candidates from these 52 to 60,000 people. What does UGC do? UGC qualify only 6% of the people who have appeared in the examination. 6% of those candidates who have appeared in the examination. So cutoff is there. Cutthroat competition is there. So what should we do, sir? What should we do? So confused while choosing the career path? See, we have a solution for you. The very first thing is be passionate about your career. What you have to do? You have to be very much passionate about your career. You have to very much passionate about your career. You should like what you're doing. You should enjoy what you're doing, right? Keep that in mind. And this might be the good one. You marry your career, right? What you have to do, right? People come and go, things come and go, but career stays with us, right? So you have to marry your career, guys. So most important qualities to crack the examination. What are the most important qualities that every successful candidate, that me too also, have these qualities if I have qualified this examination? What are they? These are nothing but the right mindset. You should have a right mindset. Until and unless you should have a right mindset, you will not a single step towards your goal. You will not walk a single step towards your goal, right? So you have to right mindset as in your education, your need, right? Your target, your preparation, and the examination you are going to take, right? These things you should know very well. Confidence, right? If you have right confidence, if you have clear understanding of the examination, and after qualifying the examination, what you are going to do, if you are clear with these things, confidence will be there and you can apply for the examination very well. Consistency, see, different examination need different time to prepare, different number of times to prepare. Like if you are preparing for UPSC, you might prepare for 2 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years, right? If you are for banking examination, you can prepare for 1 year. For UGC examination, it is not more than 6 months. See the return of investment, ROI percent kitna hai? What is the ROI percent of UGC examination? You have to put dedicated 6 months and you become an assistant professor, right? And then is efficiency. There is efficiency. If you have these things, you can have efficiency. That means, see, imagine that you are an assistant professor, you go to the university and you teach the student, right? So you should be able to explain, you should be able to share your experience that you have counted in your career, right? So most important tips for examination, what are they? Concise and directional study. What you have to do, this is the most important, guys. This is most important for you. Whatever the examination you are studying for, you have to put your study in a concise and directional manner. Until and unless there is a direction, you will end up doing something else, right? After that, practice question, right? Why practicing question is important when it comes to competitive examination? Because after practicing the question papers, that is specifically previous year question papers, you get the idea, the nature of the question being asked, the topic where the question are being asked from, right? And which helps you to prepare for the examination in a specific direction, right? And then after time management, many students ask me, sir, how to manage the time? So I tell them that the best way to manage the time is to not waste the time, है ना? सबसे बेस्ट तरीका क्या हो सकता है? टाइम को वेस्ट नहीं करना है. So how not to waste the time is to understand the examination pattern, understand the importance of the question, understand the preparation you have done, and which target to hit to. right? Then full length mock test, then you have to give the full length mock test. What you have to do, you have to give the full length mock test. After giving the full length mock test, you will get the real time experience of the that examination, real time experience of that examination, right? Which will help you ultimately to take examination very effectively, and you can score well in the examination, right? These are the things that you need to see. I'm not here to tell you that you have to be motivated, you have to be interested, inspired, and this and that, but I will tell you these are the grounded things that you need really to focus on, which will really help you to grow in your career, right? For any competitive examination, right? So now we are at the point that what next? Now we are in the point that what next, guys? What next? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can simply ask in the comment box, guys. You can simply ask in the comment box. If you have any doubt, you can simply ask in the comments. For any examination, for any career, right? I have put forward you the academic career, academic way of your career, right? Now it is your time. If you have any doubt, if you have any question regarding this, you can simply put in the comment box. I'm very much happy to share the experience with you all. Chalo. If you have any doubt, guys, if you have any doubt regarding any examination, see, academics has as the National Education Policy 2020 has implemented, you can understand the importance of academics. This has the challenge for the generation now all over the world. Education, right? Education industry is going very rapidly now, right? And here we are on with the help of internet, we are getting connected with you all. So it is time for you people to ask any doubt or any confusion or anything that you want to ask. Okay, all fine? Chalo. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope this must be very much helpful for you all, right? I thank Dr. G. Shankar Government College, and I thanks to the organizing committee, and we at IFS welcome you every time. Thank you so much, and happy learning with IFS. Thank you, guys.